Beautiful outdoor. You can hang it how you want. Your pole, your business, your home, your lawn, pretty much anywhere you want. All right, Easter's around the corner. We got these beautiful banners, lots of banners. I'm gonna show you pretty much all of them that are included. So these are the first ones we're gonna start with, so you guys can see. Happy Valentine's Day, hello summer, and then Easter. So above Easter, you got other different seasons. You got Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. So if you have a pole or a place to actually put them up, your Pride, Memorial Day, Happy Mother's Day, and the last one. So these are perfect to set up in any shops if you want, or in front of your house, in the yard. They bring an ambiance of your yard. Beautiful. So you could design your own however you want. You can have two in different directions. Beautiful. And the wind's gonna blow and it's gonna fly through, and it's waterproof. It's outdoor graded, so you can leave it outdoor and it's gonna continue with the actual brightness of the actual print.